Hi, at this short video I will quickly explain you the difference between the professional tier and the premium tier, and the difference lies in the mobile app white labeling. So in the professional tiers you can use the NutriBot labeled mobile apps. So in the stores your clients will see the NutriBot mobile apps like here. So after opening it in the store it looks like that. There is NutriBot app and it is the same app for all our clients. So it is branded by the NutriBot. But after opening this app, if you are not logged in, there is no list of the companies. So as you can see, it looks like here. So there is NutriBot, meal plans and orders, and you can't see all the companies. So your customers will not see your competitors. To log into the mobile app, they need to place the first order at your website, and then they will receive the smart URL and the login. After clicking the smart URL, it will redirect them to the store. After downloading the app and open it, it will look like that. So as you can see, there is my Stay Natural brand. So it will be your brand. Stay Natural is my demo brand. So there will be your brand. There is Welcome Chris and the login. So I need to click Next, put my password, and after login, they will see your brand. So there will be your brand, your logo, your colors. And I have Stay Natural brand, but as you can see, after minimizing, I can see at the very top the NutriBot brand. So at the iPhone dashboard or Android phone dashboard, you will see the NutriBot icon and all notification will appear as the NutriBot notification, but after opening the app, there will be your brand, and as I told, there is no list of other brands, your competitors. In the premium tier, your customers can browse the store looking for your specific app, like here, there is our client, Fit Meals, and after browsing we can see this app, and there is different images, different name, different description. So after downloading the app and opening, everything is separated. So after opening, you can see there is a different brand, different logo, and if we minimize it, you can see that there is Fit Meals logo, and similar in the iPhone dashboard, there will be your logo. So this is the biggest difference, that in this white labeled solution, the whole logo and branding is yours, and in the professional tier, there is NutriBot logo. Thanks of the NutriBot mobile app, we can share the mobile app for many clients cheaper. The premium tier needs the creating separated mobile app, branding that and maintenance that. The user experience is much better, but costs are bigger. So this is why we add the NutriBot branded mobile app to the lower tiers to allow smaller companies to use this amazing feature, which is the mobile app. See you in the next videos. Bye.